Hello everybody. If you know anything at all about Forex trading, you would know that 90% of people who get into Forex trading quit. They drop out, they are unsuccessful. Well, if you would like to be in the 10% who are successful, then I highly recommend that you follow these 3 best tips for Forex success that I'm going to share with you in this video. So, as they say on YouTube, let's jump in and get started. Yes, the 3 best tips for Forex success. In all of my years of teaching Forex, I have students in more than 25 countries around the world. What I have found is that the reason people are not successful is because of the same mistakes that everybody makes. It's always the same with everybody. So it's quite easy to come up with 3 best tips for Forex success. And I can guarantee that if you follow these 3 best tips, you can become a successful Forex trader. So what are they? Well, let's have a look. Tip number 1, it's simple. Plan the trade and trade the plan. It sounds simple, but why don't people do it? Well, I guess it's kind of like being in school. You know, you have homework. Well, nobody likes homework. Or at least most people don't like homework. And so planning a trade takes a little bit of time. Well, I'm going to share with you 3 things here that are planning the trade strategies that might help you to get started. The first one is use support and resistance. And that's really easy. Just draw a horizontal line across your chart at the key points, the low points and the high points. You see on the left there we have support and resistance, and then on the right side we have only support. But you see all those green candles going up. It's a bullish trend on the USD JPY, and then it reached a top and started to come back down. Well, probably at that top is where most people started buying. You just, you have that feeling. It's called FOMO, fear of missing out. You see, wow, this is going up, it's going to the moon, buy. And then it doesn't go anymore. It happens so often. And what kind of a trade is that? That's an emotional trade. Fear of missing out is fear. It's an emotion. And I can promise you, if you're making emotional trades, you will never be successful as a Forex trader. So stop making emotional trades. Plan the trade. In other words, you put the blue line there at support and resistance, and you wait for the trade to come back to you. Let the market come to you. Don't chase candles. Let the market come to you. It will. Nothing goes up forever. Nothing goes down forever. So put your entry level, your buy limit, it's called here. All right, your buy limit, that's what we use for planning trades in the future. All right, and when it comes down and it hits that blue line where you have your buy limit order, the order will open and you'll be in profit. You'll see if you had done that, this trade is well into profit now. This is a trade that I planned just last week, and it's already in profit now, just by simply waiting for the market to come to me. Now, pending orders are the only types of trades that I take. The pending orders are orders in the future. You're waiting for the market to come to you. And I do one of these videos every week. It's called my weekly analysis, where I share my pending orders with you, my trade setups. I share them with you for gold and the major US pairs. So if you want to get that video every week, just subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the little bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of the videos. And this is absolutely free, no obligation, okay? My pending orders just to help you be successful with trading Forex. All right, the second method that you can use for planning a trade is moving averages. Moving averages are great. Moving averages are also support and resistance, but it's called dynamic support and resistance because it moves with the price. So on this chart here, you see that we had a downtrend, and then the direction changed, and the moving averages started to go with the price. So you can use this. This works very, very well for planning your trades. In fact, I have a video on this one. This strategy that you're looking at on the chart here is called the Trend Riter strategy. And I made a particular video just for this, a 20-minute video, and I'll leave the link for that in the description below. It's a very, very useful video for planning your trades. And then the third type of plan that you can use is trend lines. Trend lines are also support and resistance, except they are diagonal, not horizontal. So you place a trend line that's following the trend on your chart, and then you can see when the trend is changing. It's quite easy to see. And then once you see the trend is changing, you look for a trade in that direction. So trend lines are very, very useful for planning your trades. Plan your trade, trade your plan. Tip number 2, stop trading big lots. Stop. This is the number one mistake that people make. And I can tell you the people that are unsuccessful in trading Forex, 100% of them, their reason is for this, trading big lots with a small account. Now, if you have a big account, hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars, you can trade lots as big as you want. But most people don't start that way. Most people start with $500, $1,000, but then they trade big lots with a small account. $500, $1,000, $2,000, that's considered a small account. And people will start with that kind of account and trade big lots. Because with the leverage you have, if the trade goes in the right direction, you can make big profit. But it's a double-edged sword. If the trade goes in the wrong direction, you will make a big loss. And that's what happens to people. They start off with a small account trading big lots. And what's the emotion? Greed. Greed. And what did I say earlier? If you're making emotional trades, you will never be successful in trading Forex. So stop trading big lots. You can make successful, consistent, profitable trades with small lots. And then as your account grows gradually, you can scale up. And that's the only way you will ever be successful trading Forex. What I tell all of my students is this: if you want to increase your profit, just increase your lot size. If you want to increase your lot size, put more money in your account. In other words, stop trading big lots. It doesn't work. It never has, and it never will. Protect your capital. That is so important, and it's what people don't do. The trade starts to go against you, and you move your stop loss down away from it, or you don't have a stop loss, which is even worse. All right, and then it goes against you more and more. You click buy and it's going down. You click buy and it's going down. So you're thinking, no, it's got to go up. I click buy, because I know it's going to go up. I wouldn't be wrong. Nobody wants to be wrong. So you don't get out of the trade and you just let it keep going, and finally it blows up your account or you take a big loss. You have to protect your capital with a stop loss. And did you know that if you use proper risk management, you can lose 3 out of 5 trades and still be profitable? Yes, you can lose more trades than you win and still be profitable. You say, well, how do you do that? Well, I made a video for that, okay, about how to set your stop loss and how to set your risk to reward ratios so that you can lose 3 trades out of 5 and still be profitable. And I'll put the link for that in the description below this video. All right, so I hope that those tips were helpful. If you find them helpful or beneficial, please leave a comment below this video. I will reply and get back to you. But if you found this video and you're a total beginner, I have something for you. And this is not a video. This is a 10 video tutorial, all right? And it's a free Forex trading course for beginners. And this will help you to set up everything you need. Your software, it will teach you risk management, it will teach you how to place pending orders, it will teach you the fundamentals that you need to know, everything that you need to know to get started. If you don't know anything about Forex, you can have this course absolutely free, no obligation, and this will help you decide whether or not Forex is a good fit for you. Just let me know that you'd like to join that course and send me a Telegram message. My ID is @rickrayfx, and I will add you to the group for that course. Okay, thanks for being here. I appreciate it very much. Don't forget to like, love, and share. And of course, be sure and subscribe to the YouTube channel and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of these videos. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.